Here also the integral is involved with the impulse function. Impulse function, a delayed impulse function, delayed impulse function. Again, we have to use the same property of impulse function, that is x of t del of t minus t naught dt equal to x of t naught. Here, x of t equal to t square. X of t equal to t square. Delay t naught equal to and t naught equal to 3. Therefore, the answer is t square, where t equal to 3. Therefore, 3 square equal to 9. 9 is the answer.